I found the tree in the pig. Where do I need to build my house? I need to find that out in the next series. Yeah guys, if you want another series of this world, like and subscribe. Maybe I invite Nathaniel in this world and the world and we can play those. I don't know, but you can invite Nathaniel if you want. Just type it in the comment section and type yes. So type yes in the comment section if you want to see Nathaniel in this world. It's a big cave. Big cave. Big cave. Big cave. Big cave, bro. Big cave. Let's go. We need only 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, cool! I'm not exploring, guys. Pickaxe and an axe. There you go. You know what? We need a spear for my protection. There you go. We need coal. Coal is our source of food, so we can cook it. The thing coal we can get is 20 coal. There's 20 coal here. I can find 20 coal. So guys, that's not me. That's me. Bruh. Yeah, guys. I want to invite him in Sikat Water, bro. That's a good guy. I know all of them. Yeah, bro. That's good. I need more. Bro, yes, I already found iron. Oh no. No, bad guys. Bad, you guys are so bad. Oh my god, I finally. I just need iron, bro. I just need iron. Ouch! Who's hitting me? Oh my god, bro. I hate this game so much. When did I find iron? I don't know. But I found iron and I not sleeping. Got more great things to do. I'm going to find some iron. I already found iron in the left expert. I love mountain. Oh, this is flat iron. What the hell?
Maybe a misconception. Okay, that's one thing I've heard.
The hell?
People say that conspiracy.
Sobrang tight ang schedule ni Alex. Kaya ilan sa mga pinakalamis niya ay ipagpulit sa bansa.
Man, I will find copper. Copper is good, guys. You can now use copper for a lot of stuff. And don't waste your copper. Don't waste your copper. Ooh, go copper. You got me jump scared. You got me jump scared. Oh my god. You guys got me jump scared, bro. I don't like this, bro. I'm getting jump scared. That iron, no. That's not iron. Ah! Oh no, that's a... Oh, I got jump scared. No way, man. I don't want that jump scared, bro. I don't like that jump scared. Please don't play that again, the jump scare. Let me just find something. Like a good thing. A dog! Hi! You know where I want to build the house? Right over here. I mean, I'm literally lagging. Yeah, guys. Can I find... I don't see things right now. Let me just explore, bro. We just need to explore the key. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Bro, I hate that. I hate that baby dummy, man. But it's cute. Oh my god, that's so rare. Rare sheep.
Difficult to have hobbies that are other sports or physical demanding because I do get everything.
It's not easy, but I luckily, guys, don't eat on that. Don't say that dog, that say W dog in the chat for doing that. What the hell? Double dog! Get out! Did I do to you, Bert? Oh, Birch. Who needs Birch? We hate Birch. Come and be like, oh my god, what is this? Oh no, that's Birch. We need to get out of here, Birch. It's Birch. I like Cameron because I hate Birch. Come on. Yeah, bro. Oh no, that's you! Oh my god, bro, I'm not looking in my phone. Then that thing showed up. Is you been controlling this thing? Please don't play that again. Then when I get jump scared, please. I hate it. Heartbreak. I get jump scared, bro. Check out the ground. But would you get help, bro? Don't just climb up. What the hell? Why am I not climbing up? My top is lagging, guys. I own this island because you know why? This pumpkin, Operation Pumpkin 67. Pumpkin 67. You know that thing? Yeah. Slow go. Make that group. Na pinagin video. Operation Pumpkin. Execute Operation 67. Operation 67, guys. Guys, Operation 67.